bro. So yeah, you know what's going on, man. We in Arizona. We in Arizona. You know what I'm saying? I just got back from Charlotte. That bitch was so turned, nigga. So Charlotte, no, I just got back from Tennessee. Tennessee was so fucking turned. Right now we just walking to the parking lot, man. We pulled up Rango's. Rango Kitty. Rango Kitty. Hey, what the fuck is that? A falling star? What the fuck? I got that bitch on camera, bro. Man, we finna get active. The ride out going.
Oh, bro, it's a HELLCAT.
Oh, bro. Oh, that bitch tough. No, bro. Yeah. What's to you? Yeah, that bitch sick. That bitch clean. That bitch is clean.
The HELLCAT, I was like, yeah, they probably pulling up right now.
Yeah, you know. Yeah.
Honestly, if shit's this smooth, bro, I'll just do the driver's meeting.
Oh, bro, it's cool. It's cool.
For sure.
You know, we can't kitty. Get ready to get active, though, man. We outside. Chilling. Yeah, so this vlog gonna consist of cars and fucking driving. So y'all get ready. But yeah, so the content today gonna be based off of the cruise. So this is April 5th. We're doing a cruise, man. Arizona with Stacks Productions, Div Crew. We got a couple more motherfuckers. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, I'm not gonna stop looking at the cat Ringos, cause they just cats. They cat Ringos. You know what I'm saying? They cat Ringos, bro. The fastest Ford Flex. No bullshit.
These things are making 7, this thing's making 4, if you think about it.
Yeah, these bitches pushing.
And they all like cut up like the same, so.
This shit look crazy.
This is crazy as fuck. This is gonna be a lit ass cruise.
Automatically. 12. Damn.
Cadillacs, Z's.
Ain't nobody doing shit, so.
No, for real. Like, give me my jacket.
Yeah, man. So, semi-slightly, like, no, it ain't slight. It's a lot of cars. Then we got 12 and a cop out. We got the chop out, I mean. I keep saying a cop.
Fucking outside.
See the Rangos and shit. Let's see what's going on, man. We're finna get this cruise going. Yeah. It's so crazy.
Bro, this will be bringing his mom with him to the cruises.
My boy. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Y'all good?
Yeah.
What's up with y'all? Drivers meeting! He said, yeah.
Hey, thank you. Love you. Give me the Oh, yeah. I was gonna bring mine, but I wanted to see how it feels. But it's fun, bro.
So yeah, we got the luxury of riding in the fastest Ford Flex. You know what I'm saying? We finna be out. Bro. Y'all know what the fuck going on, man. Really shit, just like, comment, sub, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you turn on the post notifications if you really give a fuck. And we're gonna turn up, man. You know what time it is.
Hey, yup. They be doing that shit. Alright, the blue Ford Flex is in front of Cons. We are rolling out. You see us driving by. We are rolling out. Just follow us.
Bro. finna fuck him up.
Have neon lights
Catch
on their wheels.
catch him.
That's a giveaway.
This shit looks beautiful, bro. Oh yeah. Oh my God. This cruise is crazy. Oh, hell yeah. No, we still cruising. Niggas is getting active, bro. Send me your number. I'ma drop low. Send me your number. Alright. Hey, he's like, bro. He got a skate. He wanna come race. He like, I wanna come race, nigga. Oh my God, bro. This shit is beautiful, nigga. Why is it so? Oh, I got time lapse on, bitch. Out fucking sad. Yeah. Niggas outside, bro. That's not even everybody.
Oh no, like
At all.
you're way back.
Look.
Everybody is now.
It's not even everybody. That's sick.
There's still a whole crew separated from the front. Ooh, that might be an undo right there. Well, Austin's explaining it to him. No, you gotta wait. Homie's never fucking ran before.
It's funny as hell. He's never ran it before. Oh shit! Damn, that bitch. What? 4x4 too? That's crazy.
So we gonna stay on the line.
That. Oh. Yeah. Now they catching up. That's crazy. Ooh, that roll is so clean, boy. I'ma edit that bitch. No, it's not. It's a V8 Mercedes. You're tripping. That's a Mercedes, nigga. That's a Mercedes.
That's not an M, nigga.
You said an M. Yeah. That's a Mercedes, boy. That's a V8 compressor, bro. That's the one I keep talking. My bad. Light brightest. Like, give me some of that Z. Towards the front of the packet. Line that shit up. That shit is fucking fire. I missed it, but oh well. That shit's funny. What the fuck? I want to do a POV so bad in his car, bro.
We pulled over to the side before exit 50.
You can rally, motherfucker. Let's go. Come on, we good. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Bro, so I'm gonna hit y'all with a YouTube, man. Y'all know what's going on. So look, I can't remember where I left off last night. I recorded on the phone and the camera. So what I'm gonna do is, today it's gonna be strictly GoPro, and if it gets too dark, then I will go to the camera, the phone camera. But right now, so that's where we at. You know, this nigga never uses this pool. It's crazy. I've never seen him use this pool, but I might be jumping in this hole today, bro. But so with that being said, man, so what we're gonna do today, we got the AZ, Motor Trends, Stacks Productions, Diff Crew, Bad News Co., Badass Jerky, Team Unity. That's a lot, bro. Pretty much we're making a movie, man. We're making movies. We had a good ass turnout last night. It was maybe somewhat 50, 60 cars, give or take 70, you know what I'm saying? I don't know exact number, but I know for a fact that we had a good ass time. Everybody enjoyed themselves. It was no bullshit, no drama. Police didn't fuck with us. We had it made, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. Like, comment, sub, SRT Noski. If y'all haven't already, hit that subscribe button, man. We on a roll to 3K. I ain't gonna lie, one day y'all gonna look up and it's gonna be 50, 60,000 on this bitch. So I'm gonna just be real with you. But man, y'all tune in. I might be jumping in this bitch if it get hot enough. I don't know. We'll see though. Arizona with it. Palm trees. AC units on the house. You know how it's going, man.